Hello friends, in this class I am going to discussing about another important rearrangement reaction, that is Curtius rearrangement reaction. I give you a definition of this Curtius rearrangement reaction and reaction mechanism, and I give you a few applications of this Curtius rearrangement reaction. Simply I give you a definition. What is the definition of this Curtius rearrangement reaction? Simply, acyl acids are converted into the amines in the presence of under thermal conditions is known as Curtius rearrangement reaction. This is the definition. I give you a definition on the board. Please note down. Now coming to the reaction of this Curtius rearrangement reaction. This is the reaction. Coming to reaction. What is the reaction? Acyl acids which is under thermal conditions it forms amines. This is the acyl acid, it forms amines. This is the definition. What is the definition? Acyl acids are converted into the amines under thermal conditions. This reaction is known as Curtius rearrangement reaction. Now coming to the mechanism of this Curtius rearrangement reaction. What is the mechanism of Curtius rearrangement reaction? Initially, before this going to mechanism, we can prepare a acyl acid from carboxylic acid. This we are taking a carboxylic acid which is treated with thionyl chloride H2Cl2 and it forms acyl halide, and this acyl halide is treated with sodium azide NaN3, that is sodium azide. Then it forms our required product RC double bond ON3. Acyl acid is formed. This is the preparation of acyl acid. Now we are going to mechanism of this Curtius rearrangement reaction. Using this acid, minus charge and this is the plus charge. Now we are see this mechanism. Here this bond is migration here, removal of nitrogen and it forms a nitrine, a carbonyl nitrine is formed, and this alkyl group is migration takes place and it forms this type of reaction. And it forms this type of reaction. This lone pair is migration here, double bond is takes place. This type of reaction is takes place, and this bond is migration here, which is hydrolysis takes place. Then this type of reaction is formed, and which is decarboxylation takes place. Then it forms our required product R bond, and this bond is migration here. Decarboxylation takes place, carbon dioxide is removed, and it forms our required product amine is formed. Simply, acyl acid is converted into amine. This is the mechanism of Curtius rearrangement reaction. Simply, before this mechanism, we can prepare this acyl acid from carboxylic acid, which is treated with thionyl chloride. It forms a acyl acid. This acyl acid which is treated with again sodium acid, it forms acyl acid. This is the preparation of acyl acid. Using this acyl acid, by removal of nitrogen gas, it forms a carbonyl nitrine is formed, and it forms a different product, different reaction. This reaction, which is a hydrolysis, takes place, and it forms a different reaction is formed, and in this reaction decarboxylation takes place, the forms our required product amine is formed. This is the mechanism of Curtius rearrangement reaction. Now coming to the applications of Curtius rearrangement reaction. Applications. What are the applications? The first application we can take carboxylic acid containing group, that is benzoic acid we can take, which is treated with initially thionyl chloride SOCl2, and second one that is sodium azide, and third one that is H3O plus heating. Now then it forms our required product aniline is formed. Now this is the first application of Curtius rearrangement reaction. Now second application, coming to second application, that is this is the substituted to the second application acyl azide undergoes to thermal condition, it forms acyl azide is converted into amine. This is the amine group. Acyl azide group is converted to the amine group. This is the second application of Curtius rearrangement reaction. Okay, I hope you can understand. These are all Curtius rearrangement reaction definition, reaction mechanism, and I give you a few applications of this Curtius rearrangement reaction. I hope you can understand this concept. Thank you.